Hello everyone! In today's video, let's talk about the latest method to generate Flash USDT. Why did most of the previous methods fail? Because liquidity providers suffered heavy losses due to the drop in Ethereum and Bitcoin prices. They blocked all previous codes and methods, so the current approach is to use Flash loan nodes to obtain more stable Flash USDT. These Flash USDT stays for more than 1 year in the wallet. You can use it on betting platforms like Stake, and it supports all games. For example, we've tried with Limbo Game. It supports BC Game as well. You can also use it for binary options, and you can only withdraw the profits. Let's do some live trades here. You need a usable compiler. Here we can use remix.wiki. Go to sites.google.com/view/pool code. Before you start, feel free to use an AI tool to inspect the code to ensure there are no mistakes with it. Copy all code, create new file, and name it USDT, then paste all the code. Go to Compiler section and click on Compile. Now, go to Deploy and Run. Connect your wallet. Make sure you're only using MetaMask wallet in your browser. If you don't have it, choose Wallet Connect to use your mobile wallet. Now click on Secure Deploy and confirm in your wallet. Once deployment is finished, the contract address button will appear. Click on it to open an Etherscan. So this is your unique contract address. Don't share it with anyone. You need to fund it with some liquidity of Ethereum. You need at least 0.03 Ethereum, but I strongly recommend at least 0.05 Ethereum to ensure the stability. That will give around 50,000 Flash USDT. If you need more quantity, you can use more liquidity of Ethereum. You can check that your contract has received the transaction. Now go back to the compiler and click on Get Balance. You can check the balance has been detected to pools. Now click on Start and confirm in your wallet. Once generations succeed, click on Withdrawal and confirm to get the Flash USDT to your wallet. Once it completed, you'll find the Flash USDT in your wallet. You can refresh the wallet and check all specification of the USDT. You can also swap to any other coin. For example, let's swap to USDC. You can also swap to Tron Network and get USDT TRC20. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.